Okay, in this lesson, we're going to pick back up where we left off. Your job was to write an if statement to prove yes or no that these three numbers, when added together, would give you a sum less than 289. So here we go. I will type in, check your work, equals, if, parenthesis. So now I write my test. What am I testing? Well, I'm testing these three boxes added up. So I'm going to do this box plus this box plus this box. And I need to make sure the sum of those three is less than 289. So shift on my keyboard and the comma gets me my less than symbol, the number 289, and that is my math test. Now I'm ready to put, if that's true, comma, what do I want it to say? Well, I want it to say yes. And remember, if I'm going to have it print a word, I need to put quotes around it. Quotation mark, yes, quote, comma. So that's what happens if it's true. What happens if it's false? I want it to say no. Quotes, no, and quotes. How do I end this thing? I need to close my parenthesis from before, shift 0, and hit enter. Of course, it's going to say yes because I have no numbers in it, registers nothing as zeros. So let me try 100, 100, and 100. 300 is not less than. Let's make this a little closer. So that's 200. Let's make this 89. It still should say no because it would be equal. And it does still say no because that's equal to 289. Let's go back up, make it 88. 288 is less than 289, so it should shift over to yes. Let's check. Yeah, it works. All right, so that's that. So now what you're going to do is we're going to take all of our hard work that we just did. By the way, if you need to keep this, you can copy that and put it off to the side. But we're going to Control A and hit the delete button. We're going to get rid of all of our hard work. I'm going to change all of my borders back to none, so it's back to a regular Excel. So here's your job today. Okay, you're not submitting this. You are just getting it done because we're going to use it tomorrow. Okay. So we're going to type in shortest side. And remember, because my wording is too big, put your mouse between the letters A and B. Change the style of your mouse. Double click. Shortest side. I guess we'll go middle. And we'll go largest side. So what we're trying to force somebody to do is type in 3 sides lengths of their triangle, shortest, middle, and longest, in ascending order. And then over here, does it make a triangle? Again, I'm going to double click between the D and the E. And I'm going to highlight these boxes, go up right under the word that is the font, and there's a cell border here. Click the drop down arrow, click on all borders just to clean that up a little bit. So your job today, and I'm double clicking in between each just to clean these up. Your job today is to put a formula in here, and I'll get you started. Ready? Equals if parenthesis. That's it. The rest is up to you. That we want to be able to take any 3 lengths from any triangle, type them in here, and hit enter, and have this automatically say yes, it's a triangle, no, it's not a triangle. Okay, so basically what you're doing is making a calculator that tests triangle inequality theorem, which when you watch yesterday's lesson, you have an idea of what it is and what it does to prove if you are given 3 side lengths, does it make a triangle, yes or no? All right, do not send this to me, hang on to it, but yes, this is your job today. I don't think it should take long. It depends how much you paid attention to the video yesterday. All right, good luck. Get this Excel done. Don't email it to me because we're going to then use it the day after. Good luck. We'll see you.